Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video gonna be talking about Infiniti J35. You have an issue with the transmission, especially if you have the code P1716 with the speed sensor. So I'm gonna show you what my car do for this problem. So the car when it's cold doesn't shift to the first gear or the second gear. After the car gets hot, then the car starts shift right, and I can drive the whole night with no problem. But other than that, if the car is cold, the car is shifts really bad. So now we're gonna show you how to do it if the car has the same issue and the car shifts really hard. So stay with me on this video, I'm gonna show you everything. First thing guys we have to do, don't drive the car when the car is cold. Drive the car when the car is hot. So when you get the gates heats gets up in the middle, then start driving the car, but drive it smoothly. If you're driving directly to the highway, I gotta show you how to do it. I have the same issue, and after that now if I try to drive, the car gonna be start driving really bad. Even if I put the car reverse, the car never gonna be get to reverse. So until the car gets hot, then we go get the drive test. Okay, my transmission gets hot now, so let's drive the car and see what's going on. First thing we do, turn drive, and because we're driving from the complex, because I'm driving from the complex, so it's gotta be a little bit. I cannot push, it's hard. Okay, the car doesn't want to shift now. So what we have to do when the car doesn't shift, slow down and push gas. You have to force it a little bit. If you don't force it, the transmission never gonna be switched to the gears. Okay, we have a straight, empty. Then we're gonna push it again. It's the only way. This is what I do all time to drive it. It happened to me at least like 6 months like that. Okay. The car start driving normal now. Just the first gear and second gear now. So the first gear always gonna be so hard, second one so hard when the car is cold. And after that, the car gotta start driving like normal. You gotta feel a little bit jerk, but not too bad. You see, I feel a little bit now. Little bit, but you have to push gas. There we go, normal now. $45 miles an hour, no jerk or nothing. every morning when the car is cold, the car do the same problem. So this is what it is, guys. So I have to go follow some gas. Yeah, the car drive normal now with no shaking, no nothing, no transmission slip. So I have to make a U-turn to go get some gas. Okay, gas slow. Little bit shake. It's not like before. You can see the car back to normal, drive like normal, just like they have never transmission issue. As soon the car shift the first gear hard and second one hard, and if the transmission gets hard, the transmission drive normal again.